Welcome to Wong Economics Education. In this short video, we will introduce the basic features of A-level economics. A-level economics consists of different themes. For typical lower sixth form students, they need to learn two main themes of economics: microeconomics, macroeconomics. For typical upper sixth form students, they need to learn some additional themes of economics, such as business economics, international and development economics. For assessment, most of the students will only have internal assessment for their first-year study. Some schools may take the AS level public exam in the first year. A-level economics is a skillful subject for students. The exam questions request students have good knowledge and application skills for different exam themes. A-level economics request student can present their answer in a proper way that can apply their knowledge in the real cases with evaluation skills. Evaluation is a new element for many students as they seldom need to judge or challenge their answers in local exams. How to answer those long questions in detail is another issue. Points development is not easy for some students. How to apply real-life applications for different question types. In the public exams, students need to carefully apply information from the data source as well. One special feature of A-level is there are many different exam boards in the UK, such as Edexcel, OCR, AQA, WJEC, Educas, CIE and Edexcel International A-level. Students are taking different exam boards based on their school's choice. Wong has teaching experience for all the above exam boards. Although the exam questions of different exam boards have differences, their knowledge cover and handling skills are highly similar. Wong Economics Education has the professional experience to help students to handle different kinds of question types. Brian is a professional tutor for A-level. His past students come from more than 40 different UK schools. The lesson training will improve your question exposure, which will help to enhance your performance stability. We will also teach you how to improve the quality of your answer and how to evaluate questions. These are the biggest issue for many students in UK. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us for more details. Thank you.